Attention in the gate area. Attention in the gate area.
Those boarding FM News Channel 97.5's Idea Transport will proceed to the red area. Please have your limo pass, first-class assignment, and luxury appointments ready for your information voyage. For those boarding the much slower AM News bus, you'll proceed to the yellowish-green area. Have with you one clear plastic shower curtain, a number 2 wash tub, police radio, and a small box that you can fit into. And no pushing or shoving, you're going nowhere fast. Make your selection at this time. Then proceed immediately to your kilowatt launch pad.
This is Houston's most complete news, weather, traffic, and talk station. FM News Channel 97.5.